Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make quick pancakes without eggs. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. For the wet ingredients, have 1 cup of milk and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil ready. This recipe is incredibly straightforward and perfect for a fast breakfast. Now let's mix our batter. In a large bowl, combine all your dry ingredients, the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Give them a good whisk. In a separate, smaller bowl, mix the milk and the 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Then, slowly add the wet mixture to the dry ingredients. Stir gently until just combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine and even desirable for fluffy pancakes. It's time to cook. Heat a non-stick griddle or pan over medium-low heat. Lightly grease the surface with a little butter or cooking spray. Once hot, pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until golden brown and bubbles form on the surface before flipping. This ensures they cook evenly and become beautifully fluffy. Your quick, egg-free pancakes are ready to enjoy. Serve them warm with your favorite toppings. Maple syrup, fresh berries, or a simple dusting of powdered sugar are always fantastic choices. For an extra layer of flavor, consider adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract to your wet ingredients next time. These pancakes are a delightful and easy breakfast option for anyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.